How to assemble a Stratux EU by getyourwings.co.uk. You will need the following parts: two aerial leads, two SDRs, AHRS, GPS, Raspberry Pi and case, and micro SD cards. Take the Raspberry Pi, snap it into the case, pressing down on all four corners. Plug the AHRS into the bottom row of pins, making sure that it's all the way down. Connect the fan leads, tighten up the aerial leads, snap the top of the case on, making sure you don't trap any of the leads. Make sure they come through the correct holes here, makes it easier. Plug in the two SDRs, doesn't matter which way round. Whichever cable you plug into them, that will be the aerial at the corresponding end. Plug in the GPS chip, put on the cover, snap it closed, put on the two aerials, do them up, and there you have it, a Stratux EU completed.